The Sound of Nutrition, Volume 3, as seen in the June issue of Functional Ingredients magazine.
You wait, little pill, on an empty shelf, waiting for retailers to turn the light on. Your life supplement pill is an empty page, waiting for researchers to study on. You are fish oil going on krill oil, maybe it'll help me think. Better beware, make sure you're sustainable, baby, you're on the brink. You need someone, independent third party, checking sustainability. I am an NGO, Marine Stewardship Council, I'll take care of you.
I am turmeric going on curcumin. I know I'm an anti-inflammatory. 1,000 studies published in 2012, and willingly I believe. I need someone older and wiser telling me what to do. You are a marketer telling my story. I'll depend on you.